guys, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, wherever you are. So this is the future admin building, and the big building there almost finished is control building. In this area will rise the admin building. It's very big. See the foundation. There's another trailer loaded with foundation, precast foundation. It's stuck there. It's already stuck. So I'm going to load that one. So I'm moving now with my crane. Hello guys, this is I'm going to transfer this load to the location near the area. We're going to erect this after unloading and put it near to the area where they're going to erect this foundation. I cannot directly erect this because it's heavy, more than 10 tons. Now I am almost 18 meters and my capacity is it's 11.6 tons. So I am swinging now. The superstructure of the crane. One guy is pulling out. This is the future admin building for this refinery plant. It's a very big building. So I am going to put that there, that foundation. Then I will transfer my crane and then bring it further. Okay friends, thank you very much. I have to cut now.